Welcome back. Crown Royal, 3 stars of our 3 early telecasts in Toronto. Vesa Toskala, Semyon Varlamov, and Phil Kessel. I thought it was supposed to be Hagman.
Wait a minute.
It's supposed to be Hagman. Yeah, well, you picked them, so we changed it. 2-1, Toronto wins in the shootout. Montreal falls in a shootout. Pavel Datsyuk, Mike Camilleri, and Henrik Zetterberg. It's a mistake. It was supposed to be Hagman.
Well, come on. Smarten up. Change it.
Brian Burke wanted us to say Kessel. And Ottawa 5-3. Philip Kuva got his first. Daniel Alfredson had a great game. Derek Roy had a couple of points. The Ottawa Senators are quietly playing really well done.
Yes. Colson is doing a good job. Anyhow, you know what I have to laugh at. This really gets me. We saw it earlier on. What do you call that? Hot Snow, the early
pregame show. Scotiabank Hockey Tonight.
Oh, well, something like that. Anyhow, I read in the paper. Hey, quiet back there, eh?
Could be Mitzi.
Oh,
Is it Mitzi?
Mitzi, keep quiet, Mitzi, while I'm on here. I'm wearing your tie.
Yeah, come on in. Might as well throw the whole thing off.
Wait a minute.
Mitzi's came all the way from Bosnia. Can't he come in and say hello to you now?
No, wait a minute. Mitzi, how you doing?
Pleasure,
Get
Mitzi.
in here, Mitzi. Come on, stand right here.
That'll be great. You see the tie Don's wearing your tie?
Yeah, you see that?
You gave PJ
Stoll.
Great.
Okay, sit there for a minute. Stand there.
Yeah.
Now listen, we'll talk to you later. First of all, everybody, all we hear all the time, the interest in the Leafs is fading. Their tickets, they can't give it away. Stay away from the games. Let's see what Glenn showed. No country in the world, in any sport, could do this in a morning practice. Nobody, no soccer or anything could do that, and all they did, and when they said in the paper, the interest is losing in hockey. Unbelievable. All right, how you doing, Mitzi? Put her there, pal. I'm glad.
How's Bosnia doing now? They're trying to qualify for the World Cup, aren't they? Or
Not yet.
No luck? How about Croatia? They get in?
I don't know.
Oh, it doesn't matter. You're a hockey guy. We don't talk soccer.
Guy. You stand there. We're going to talk
Ilya
about
Kovalchuk, you won't believe Don loves him. His favorite.
No, wait a minute. I didn't say I loved him. I said he was my favorite Russian.
Best pure goal scorer in hockey, I think, even over Ovechkin.
Wait a minute. Let's not get carried away. I'll show you why I like the guy. Watch this. Right off the bat. No, he gets an instigator rule. Watch Cook what he does to him. Now, who started the instigator rule? Look at that. You think the referee standing there looking at that, and watch what happens later. Kovalchuk, one of the best. Look at him. Look at that there. Look at that, Mitzi. That's what the Russians do. You guys got to learn to do that, too. Now, that's Kovalchuk, and he throws them pretty good. And he gets 2, 5, and a 10 and thrown out. And you saw who the instigator rule, and the referee standing there looking at it.
And this is after Cook had the knee the other night on Donovan.
Yeah, well, I don't want to get into that. You know, Cook. Anyhow, that's what he did with Avery. The same thing. Kovalchuk, same thing. He gets run like that.
2 years
ago. That was 3 years ago. Avery, remember, he turtled on a Russian. That was, look, he comes. Yo, you want to go? This is Kovalchuk chasing that up. Boy, look at that. How do you like that, Mitzi? Pretty good, eh?
Much, yeah.
All right.
Matt Bradley, we got enough time.
We got Matt Bradley.
Yeah,
Matt Bradley, listen, watch this here. I love doing this here stuff. Matt Bradley, a free agent. Watch this here. He gets all cut up. He throws them down, and away they go. And he really got corked, and there's a lot of blood. I'm not going to show it because we don't want to get people showing too many fights at the end. That's enough. Show the blood. Show the blood. Yeah, no problem at all. And he comes back, and he gets the game winner. That's what you guys got to do in Bosnia. Look at that. Play like that. Look at that. Way to go, Matt. It's not crazy about your helmet, but isn't that great? And we have one more great guy, right?
Yes, Matt Moulson.
Matt Moulson, my buddy, 2 goals, leads the New York Islanders in goals. Here's another free agent, walked on. This guy nobody even heard of him before. So kids, when you get a walk-on Junior B, Junior A, or anything, think of Matt Moulson. This guy is dynamite, and he got 10 goals, and like I said.
All right, Mitch, good. You have a microphone there. You got to go to the game tonight in Toronto. PJ Stock and Rob Zamner, your dear pals from the NHLPA Goals and Dreams. How was it tonight at the Air Canada Centre?
It was great. It was our second time to watch the game, in Toronto. I was amazed to watch Ovechkin, so I like him a lot, and it was a big experience for all of us.
You look pretty good on television.
Isn't that great?
Too. No, that's pretty good of PJ and Rob and them coming over. What did you think of getting the equipment and that? How will that help you the most?
It's going to help us a lot because we are a small country. We don't have any hockey stores or anything. The only thing we can get equipment is donations or buy it in Canada or somewhere else. It's going to help us a lot. We have a lot of kids and they're going to use it. They will need it.
Mitzi, do you get to follow Andrej Kopitar's career because he's from Slovenia?
Not that much, but I heard.
I want to show you a map of where Andrej comes from. Is just not that far from Sarajevo, of course, the site of the 14th Winter Olympic Games. Croatia, you see ducks onto the Adriatic. And Don, I was telling you, my buddy Pat lives in Split, Croatia. He runs boat charters. You ever want to go sail over there? It's Mango Yacht Charters that he's involved with. A little plug since you mentioned. But here's a picture of Pat's apartment, his condo in Split, Croatia. So Mitzi, if you want to go over to Split, you can play hockey right there.
Tell us a little bit about Brad Collins. What a great guy he is. Yeah. A Canadian, goes over there, sees all that, and, you know, almost dedicates his life. Tell us about him.
He is amazing. He's example for all of us in Bosnia, because he came from Canada where he got everything, you know, came in Bosnia. There's terrible situation, politics and everything, and he came, he taught us, give us a couple sticks to play, watch Rakum Sakum all the time. And he's big, I don't know.
Honor to have you here on Hockey Night in Canada.
Put it there, Mitzi boy.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Welcome. Take a short break. Coming up, the Chicago Blackhawks and the Edmonton Oilers. Hockey Night in Canada continues right after this.